So hello, welcome back traders. So in last week as we analyzed gold chart, so from we told that from the point of 2355 we can see a selling side movement of gold. So and we caught a selling side movement from gold from 2355 level up to the our demand zone at 2375 level. Okay, as you can see, gold has taken nearly 3 times support at our demand zone, so we can say that it is a strong demand zone. So let's start the analysis for the next week or for the upcoming week. Okay, so before moving to the technical part, let's analyze some fundamental news for the next week. Okay, so let's open the Forex factory. So as you can see here, on Monday we don't have any news. On Tuesday we have a news on PPI, which is not much important. Sorry. Okay, so on Wednesday we have a news on core CPI, which is an important news for the gold and US dollar. And on Thursday we have some news on core retail sales, and unemployment as usual, and nothing other important news on Thursday. And on Friday there are some medium impact news on gold. Okay, so in next week important news will be of course CPI. On Wednesday we will come to know the right direction of gold at 6 p.m. by checking the data of CPI. So if you want to check previous data of CPI or core CPI, just click here and it will take some time, and you can see the last data or the forecast and the actual data of CPI news or any news you want. Okay, this time frame is according to the Indian time frame. If you want to change it, you can change it from here according to your country. Okay, so let's move to the technical part now. So before moving to the technical part, let's delete the last week analysis first. I think so as our viewers know, we analyze from higher time frame to the lower time frame. Let's shift to the 1 week time frame first. So as on the 1 week time frame, we have drawn this channel on the monthly time frame. Let's check the monthly time frame. You will see the channel clearly. Yes, this parallel channel we have drawn in the last video, and according to it the gold is in buying side. You can expect the gold movement up to 2550 level according to this parallel channel or this trend line. Okay, so we don't have anything here to analyze. Let's move to the weekly time frame. Okay, on weekly time frame nothing new is here. Last week time frame will work, I think so. Okay, so we have these two trend lines or a parallel channel we can call it, and a supply area at the point of 2470. I am not gonna change this supply area cause gold have not retested this level yet, and this support and resistance are still working, and this demand zone recently worked and nothing. I think we should adjust this demand zone, or let it be the demand zone. Okay, so in 1 week time frame we don't have anything to analyze yet. Now let's shift to the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame I think we have something to analyze. We keep this trend line. Let's draw a new trend line from here if possible. Okay, this trend line can be drawn. According to this trend line, if gold worked, then we can expect a selling from here in the gold and a support at the point of 2400 level. So on the Monday I am expecting a gap down, and gold can take support at the 2400 level, or we can check if there is any demand zone or support at 4-hour time frame. So let's first analyze the daily time frame. Now we can draw a trend line from up also. So we can say that gold is making a chart pattern of pennant. So we can see either breakout for buying side or selling side. It depends on the gold. So from where we can see selling in the gold. So if gold breaks this demand zones level 2350, then we can see clearly selling side movement of gold. And if gold breaks this old high of gold at 2483 level, so we can expect a buying from the gold at 2550 level. Okay, so now let's move to the 4-hour time frame and check there. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have drawn this trend line from upside, and I don't think so this trend line will work. Let's delete it. Okay, so we have two trend lines here, this one at the 1-day time frame and this at the 4-hour time frame. Let's adjust this trend line. Okay, if we adjust this trend line, we can see that gold is taking support at this trend line, or we can say that gold is working, this trend line is working like an resistance for the gold. And we have a demand zone, I think so. Yes, we have a small demand zone here. Okay, we have a small demand zone here, and gold is taking support at this demand zone level. Okay, and nothing else. Okay, and nothing else in the 4-hour time frame. So on the Monday, I am expecting a gap down from the gold, not a bigger gap down, but up to the level of 2427 or 2423, near about 4 to 10 points gap down I am expecting in the gold. And gold will take support at this level of 2423, otherwise gold will come down and retest this level of 2400, which is a psychological level, and go up. Let me show you by drawing it. Okay. So if gold open gap down on the Monday, gold will take support from here and go up. Otherwise gold can break this level, come down at the level of 2400 and retest this level, otherwise, and come down here and make a double bottom pattern and go up. Otherwise, if gold not retested this level, then it will otherwise, if gold not retested this level, then gold can go up from at this level only. Okay, so I think so gold will move at buying side next week. And from at what point we can expect a selling from gold. Okay, let me delete this path first. So if gold goes for buying, retesting this level, so we can expect a buying up to 2450, and from 2450 level we can expect a selling from gold up to the level of 2400 again, which we have seen in the last week. So there is no more things we can see on the 4-hour time frame. Let's shift to the 1-hour time frame and check. So on the 1-hour time frame, we don't have any support or resistance, I think so. No, I think we should delete this selling area, and here we can add a supply zone. Okay, yes. Okay, so we have a supply zone in 1 hour time frame, not a resistance level now. So yes, according to the 1 hour time frame, gold had made a hammer and moving to the buying side. I am expecting that on Monday it will gap down and retest the level of 24.27 or the level of 24.23 and move for the next target of buying at 24.50. And if it not does, or it does not retested this level, it can straightly move up to the buying level of 24.50. And if it breaks the level of 24.50, it can move towards its next target at 24.60, and after 24.60 it will go for the level of 24.70, then its previous high, and then as you can see it will move further to this trend line we have drawn on the weekly time frame. And if it retested here, if it retested this trend line, then we can see a selling movement of gold up to the level of 24. So we can expect after the reversal, gold can take support at 24.84 level or 24.70 level and move towards its next buying target at 25.50 level. Okay, so this was our weekly forecast. Thanks for watching.